So this is workout number 2. Today I'm just doing some hanging and some handstands. Normally I do 2 workouts every day, and my second workout is flexibility work, hanging, handstands and flow. But because it's school holidays and I have a 6-year-old and a wife, I have to be a bit more giving with my time. So I've only been doing 1 workout a day for the past week or so. But now I'm just going to gradually start introducing my second workout. And I start when I struggle to get a full second workout in, I start by just doing the hanging component of my workout and handstands, because that is by far the most important part. So the passive hang is the easy part. Doing single arm transitions now, this is where it gets challenging. And my goal is to try and do an accumulated total of 2 to 3 minutes, but it's the calluses here that hurt the most. So when I started this, I was doing 3-second holds on each arm. And over time, I've worked up to doing 10-second holds. And the idea is to transition smoothly and have no swing when you go down and be in a complete passive hang. So that's no good, I'm swinging too much. That's better. So when you start, you do this for 3 seconds with each hold, and you try and do an accumulated total of 90 seconds. So you might do 3 sets, where you do 30 seconds total volume in each set. It's taken me a lot of dedication to get up to this level. I'm starting to feel it now. In the hands, in the calluses there. But that's past 2 minutes, so anything from here is a bonus. Woo! 3 minutes. Happy with that. This is the hardest one, single arm active passive transitions. just 3 reps, not breaking any records today, but haven't done hanging for a week or 2 now. Oh, man, that's so hard to do on your fingers, on your feet. All right. 2.5 minutes rest. Round 3.
I'm not in it, right?
Yep, you are.
Hello. If you do the look like Christmas.
All right, 5th set. 4th set was hard to get 38 seconds, so let's see how I do on my 5th. Ah, 37 seconds, and it was messy at the end. So there's no way I'm going to increase weight, hold time in my next workout. I'm going to keep working on 38 seconds until I can do all 5 sets nice and clean.